Thank you for checking out Stonebridges Academy's formal paragraph class. This is the part 4 of a series that we have, which begins with learning to write sentences, mastering sentence building, beginning paragraphs, and then this class, which is formal paragraphs. We also follow this with our multi-paragraph essay class. In the formal paragraph class, we encourage learners using sandwiches. What do sandwiches and paragraphs have to do with each other? We encourage them to format their paragraphs correctly using a sandwich analogy and cups, which helps us to do our very best work. So let me share that with you very quickly. We begin each class with a discussion about sandwiches and the parts of a paragraph, how they equate. So the top piece of bread is the topic sentence, which introduces the main idea of your paragraph. We have supporting detail 1 and supporting detail 2. Those are the meat of your sandwich. And we do require 2 supporting details in most cases so that our learners are going one step extra and creating more complex paragraphs. And then the conclusion is that that bottom piece of bread. And we discussed the fact that we cannot take this piece of meat out and put it on the top of the bread because that would not make a good sandwich. Whereas we cannot take the details out and put them before the topic sentence, it would not make a good paragraph. We can't leave off any parts of the sandwich because that wouldn't make a good sandwich, as we cannot leave off the conclusion or any other part to make a good paragraph. And we also discuss an analogy of cups, which helps us to remember capitals, usage of grammar, punctuation, and spelling, all very important parts of paragraphs. Once we finish this class will write a paragraph together using a graphic organizer. So they are also learning to brainstorm and use graphic organizers in this class, where they will, as a group, we will fill out a topic, a main idea. The learners will give details and suggestions to the teacher. The teacher will record them in the boxes. Every class gets to write their own paragraph, and then they write the paragraph in here. And this is an example of the work that they will then do independently after. So we will spin a wheel where they will be able to choose their own topic, and they will use their own graphic organizer, whether it is drawn out on a piece of paper or they use a digital copy like Google Docs to write a paragraph. And then the last couple of minutes are spent sharing the paragraphs and getting feedback and encouragement on the work that they did. The teacher will always be there to help them throughout the process. It's a very interactive class and we have a lot of fun. So we hope to see you there soon.